Subway service.
This represents the Galapagos Islands here. That's where Darwin created his theory of evolution here in Ecuador and Galapagos Islands.
Let's see.
Okay. Now, that's good. The group is moving now. So all we can pass here.
Okay.
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 Here we have more
No,
space.
no, on the other side.
If you will see taxidermy animals. Are you afraid of animals? No. No, that's good. Of course, right? Inside the glass. Now, friends, let me ask you a question. How many countries comprise the Amazon region? Let me space for the kid, please. Peter, thank you, my friends. How many countries do you think comprise the Amazon region?
8 or 9? More? Oh, too much?
6.
6. What are the 6?
Colombia, Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Venezuela, and Ecuador.
What about the Guyanas to the north?
The Guyanas doesn't have a little bit of Amazon.
At the southern part, I hear they do. I have family from there. Okay, not at the Amazon. Okay.
Huh? Yeah, that's true because
Yeah.
this spider lives in Guyana and also in Brazil.
Yes.
But friends, look, here we have a lot of animals in the Amazon region. The most important animals are the jaguar, considered like the king of the jungle, because he has the most powerful bite. He is considered like the king of the Amazon territory. Because of his powerful bite, he can hunt wild boars, monkeys, sloths, and also the anaconda, like the biggest snake. Okay. While the other one is this very small cat. Have you heard about the ocelot?
The ocelot, yeah.
It's this little one. Do you want to touch this real fur? Feel it. It looks like a kitty. You want to touch? But look at those fangs, man. Very dangerous animal too. And let me show you the massive spider. Have you heard about Goliath the spider?
Yeah.
Look,
That's crazy.
I will show you all of you. Look at this.
He's finna start.
They are dead. They are dead. Don't worry.
That's crazy.
So look.
Yeah, nah, yeah, that's
Look. Here I have 2 different species, my friends. The darkest one, it's Migala. Okay? But the brown one, it's Goliath. The Goliath, it's only a baby here. In this size, it's only a baby. Okay? Because when the Goliath becomes an adult, the measure covered a surface of a basketball.
What?
30 to 35 centimeters of diameter. Are you guys true, my
Are they
friends?
poisonous?
No.
No, that's why, yeah, okay.
But
Oh, at least they're not
how
poisonous.
they defend itself?
By being big and scary.
Yeah, the venom has low toxicity for the humans. Okay? For the animals, they dissolve the organs inside, and they only suck like a smoothie.
Oh
So
my
they don't eat
gosh.
the whole body.
They just suck your
And
insides
that's
out.
why these tarantulas, they don't have to make webs because they can jump up to 1 meter to catch
Jump.
the prey.
Oh
Yes, jump.
my God.
So when you see one of these, just keep your distance, my friend. Okay?
I'm just gonna run.
But also, for
Opposite
example,
direction.
if one of these tarantulas crawl in your arm or maybe in your back, you won't suffer pain or any disease, okay? But you will feel only like a irritating in your skin, like itchy powder, because of the hair in the legs. They use these little hairs, look at this, in order to defend itself, because when it feels threatened, these tarantulas shake the legs like this, like a little dance. So affect the mucous membranes and also the eyes, so the prey cannot see this tarantula. Okay?
Gotcha.
And the sound, this tarantula also sings.
What?
a full repertoire.
We have full repertoire. I love
The
it.
sound that this tarantula produces, it's a rustling noise. It's like a warning signal, okay? Because it sounds like the rattle of the rattlesnake. So make a sound, okay? But look, this is the worst parasite in the Amazon territory. Have you heard about the candiru fish?
No.
Look.
It's the mouth.
And look. Okay? This fish, guys, it's called candiru fish. The people also call penis fish. You heard about that?
Why? Why does it have that name?
Why they call penis fish? Because this fish, my friend, feels attracted by the ammoniac that we eliminate through urine. So this fish get inside the urethra. Female and male as well.
Hey, bro.
Now you know. Don't pee in the rivers. Okay?
So don't pee in the rivers.
Oh no,
Now.
you ain't finna crawl in me.
Please come with me to this.